Start our recording here. Oh no, I've done a terrible thing. Yep, knew that was gonna happen. For some reason, when I minimize OBS, like, it always just comes back to whatever window I'm capturing. It doesn't matter what my primary monitor is, doesn't matter which of my two monitors I'm using. Oh, this is like loud, hold on. But, anyway, we're back with our game development for little old Goon's House of Doom 2. And you know what, chat? Tonight I'm feeling like, we need to fix something in our game here. Namely, like, our one enemy, well, one of two enemies we have. I mean, I should probably fix the other enemy as well, but that one I've at least got a custom model for. I mean, I guess I have custom models for both of them since I made both of them, but the other one I made for a different game entirely, so, you know. Yeah. I'd like to upgrade these guys a little bit so that they're, I don't know, a little more of a threat. Maybe they move a little, like, slower or with, like, a creep to them. There's some way to make them kind of, like, more difficult to evade. And I think a part of that, too, is I'm gonna need, like, a hitbox on them, like, on their arms that moves. And to do that, I might actually need to break up my model into multiple parts. I'm forgetting off the top of my head here, so we've got this guy. But if I were to go in and look at the model we're using for the player, let's open that bad boy up. I don't want to look at the armature, I want to look at... Yeah, no, this is just one thing cut out, got it. I feel like this mix is going on for a while, like it looped twice or something, but whatever. Alright. It's easy, all we gotta do is just make a model as good as this one, you know? Yeah, I think typically what people tend to do for this sort of thing is they'll add in, like, another... they'll have, like, a frame of reference image, and they'll put that on, like, a texture and put that on a slab on the back of the scene. And then you, like, line your camera up so you can just, like, extrude out and, like, make the vector points, like, where they need to be. Vector points, yeah. The individual, vectors on it. Is it S to... No, that's just to scale it. How do I split this? Do I have to right-click? Okay, a subdivide doesn't seem to have a shortcut. But it's as simple as that. Okay. Oh yeah, which way is our human facing? So that's... He's facing Y negative. It doesn't really matter at the end of the day, because, like, I'll just rotate it in scene in Godot, but... It would be kind of nice if I had some sort of standard... I mean, this isn't a finalized model anyway, so... I don't know. I feel like maybe Y positive would be a smarter move. Well, heck, I guess let's check. What do I have to do on my... my scene for the player here? That's horrible to look at. Where is the mesh? Okay. Transform. Oh, so it's actually 90 degrees. So, by default, it's facing to the left. Or wait, no. So we need it on the x-axis. I'm not sure which way we want it to face for Blender coordinates to, like, cleanly, Oh wait, let's work it out here. So facing Y negative, it's 90 degrees from the correct direction. So if we rotate it 90 degrees in Blender, that would be the direction it needs to be in, right? Which would give us X positive, I think. Because that would be 90 degrees. I guess let's rotate it. I need to be out of, what mode am I even in here? Oh, I'm in animation mode, that's why. Model. Ooh. Dude. I guess it is for the best that, the heck is that? What is this little thingy? It's for the best that, like, blend files also export, like, the layout you were using, because I think that helps to give context if you're using a third-party asset like this, but also it's like, god damn it, nothing is the way that I expect it to be. Okay, object mode, but then I want to go into properties, which I'm not seeing here. I am also a complete Blender noob, so that does not help. Shoot. Oh, here it is. There we go. Oh, and I need Z, not Y, because the coordinates are different. 90 degrees, which would be facing X positive. Okay. So what we should do is have our guys face X positive, but that's just a note for our new guy here. I'm trying to decide how I want to do this exactly. I mean, I could just wing it. We've already done that with one of the enemies. Ultimately, I need to start making more finalized assets, though, so, like, just winging it maybe isn't the best idea. But also having something that I can, like, work with better in terms of animation and everything would be very useful, so I guess we'll continue forward with this. Okay. Oh yeah, scale-wise also, I mean, again, that doesn't really matter at all, because all we need to do is just tweak a number when we import it, but out of curiosity, how tall is this guy? I guess it's probably 1-1, yeah. Seems fine to just go by that. So this is a 1-1-1 cube. We need to chisel it down into what we need here. Oop. Hold up a sec, chat. It's just Twitch telling me I'm online. They said guess over before I started stream, so I'm like keeping an eye out in case they forgot anything. Wait. So S is scale, which doesn't really do anything on a single point. Is it G? Yeah. Oops. Well, that's not right either. I guess... it's not really quite what I'm looking for as well. How did I... Okay, I'm gonna open another model for comparison. How did I make the neck on this guy? With a lot of points, it looks like. Okay. I guess that works. So I need like a second subdivide on top of this one. Or do I? I'm not sure now. Yes, because otherwise the inside would be hollow. Now, do I just need to subdivide these ones, maybe? Let's try that, just the inner parts. Should really learn some modeling skills before just doing it like this. Or finally bring in my friend that does want to help with the game. All of those move up at like the same rate. Is that gonna look like a neck? Oh. Dang it, like smart selected that one, now I can't select it again. Oh, I'm using control, not shift. That would help. That would help. But I think both actually work. Oh, wait. So that doesn't... No, it does work on all sides. It really isn't the shape I'm going for, though, so maybe I do want subdivides between these lines as well? Oh no. Alright. Not wrong window. Like, okay, right? This was This was all a cube once. I guess I could watch my stream where I built this guy. Hey, what's up, Gabo? Just shape that cube, just do it right just like that. I think I might have, like, extended the cube and then cut it down the side and then just pushed part of the side in to become a neck. And then extruded that. Possibly. Oh, wrong window. Alright, back to cube. So, like, to do that, we would want to do this. Z. Stay on Z, damn it. Oh, but we want to... Okay, we want to cut it down first, then extrude it to dupe it like that. Otherwise, we'll have, like, the whole neck will look very jagged. And I think to that end, we just need... Okay, what happens if I subdivide twice here? That'll definitely have more of a shape. If I do control... Okay, control click is like the smart select that grabs everything between where you clicked and the path forward. Maybe I don't need an extrude here. Oh, else I need to keep track of where forwards is. Oh, I'll need an extrude up here to go from the neck to the head. That's what I need to do. But I think otherwise this is what I'm looking for. Just need to pull it all in a lot more than it is right now. Maybe I shouldn't start at the head. Maybe that's part of the problem. Like, if I have the body kind of chiseled out, that'd be better. Hey, what's up, Wyatt Earth? Like, I think that will look fine when it's over there. Is Goon your horror game? Yes, it is. Or 29, too many requests. Yeah, so this is what I've been working on here. There is a demo out currently. And currently it's just a very short little experience of a couple rooms here, but, you know, classic survival horror stuff. Got maps that keep track of your progress in a room. All sorts of goodies like that. Anyway. Right now I'm trying to, like, make a new model, because the model that I've been using for the enemies, one, it's not, like, it doesn't have a skeleton, so I can't animate these guys properly. So this music's getting really loud. Might turn that down just a little bit. But yeah, there's a lot of, like, there's a lot of work done on the back end of this game, but I mean, as far as, like, levels made and, like, modeling stuff, like, I'm way behind on all that. Which is why we're working on this right now, basically. So, if I were to subdivide like this... Okay. This is certainly not enough subdivisions, but I'm just trying to, like, figure out exactly how much I need to break this down. It might be simpler to start the legs and go up, honestly. I think we want one on every side, right? Or wait. Yeah, probably. I don't know, though. It's harder to, like, undo a subdivide, because you have to, like, be careful where you merge the lines. That's why I'm being so hesitant with everything right now. Oh, wait, shoot, that was the wrong side of the cube. X positive is forward. We should subdivide here. And also here. Oh, we want to do that twice, actually. Yeah. There we go, he's perfect. Oh wait, I didn't get the backside. Oh wait, I control clicked, I need a shift click. Alright, G, Y, minus 0.25. I did the y-axis, goddammit. G, Z, minus 0.25. Wrong direction, excellent. G, Z, 0.25. G, Z, 0.5. It's got legs, finally. They're perfect. I definitely don't need to do anything more with these. You know what I want to do with this, actually? Instead of that... This is not even suddenly? Oh no, it's because of the fade that happens with that thing. Okay. So, we want to subdivide this, but then I need these to be in even spots. Pants! Hey, what's up, Prince? How's it going? So, I need to move this... this does need to be on the Y now, and I need to do it like negative 0.25. That's too much. GY, 0.25. GY... negative 0.1? Does that math work out? This really looks like it's not a flat line, but it is. I don't think that's right. Alright, I'm gonna eyeball it and then... Okay, I think it's negative 0.15 is what I need to do. GY negative 0.15. To get what I'm looking for here. Alright, let me preview it on this side before I bother with the other thing yet. I don't think that's even. Maybe it is, I don't know. No, that is. Wait. No, that slope is definitely not the same angle as that slope. I think the problem is that this subdivide is, like, in a weird spot. GY... gosh. Negative 0.2, maybe? Is this right? Now that looks worse somehow. GY negative 0.25. So this was too much? It looks like it's too much, but I don't know. That looks the best from, like, this perspective here. Oops, wrong side. It still doesn't even look right. It still looks like I need to move the one on the left more. I wish, actually, there's probably a way to do this. Hold on. Can I see coordinates in here easily? Oh, that's right. There's like a magical symmetry button. I forgot about that. So that could be a technique too, is like making half the model and then just having it like be symmetrical. No, I want to know, like, show me like a coordinate system somewhere here. It's gotta be a thing somewhere, right? I guess I'd just use the grid, right? So GY, oop, GZ, no, GY. So moving that 0.05 would get it where I want it. GY 0.05. Straight out raw dog in Blender? Not entirely, but I also don't know a lot, yeah. Alright, so that's 2 squares, which is 0.3. Wrong axis. GY negative 0.3. 3. Alright, so those are definitively the same distance apart. It's just I think this is just visually confusing. It looks like an optical illusion. Totally are then. I know enough to be dangerous in this modeling tool. Hardcore gamer, hardcore learner. I have taken a couple of like, well, I haven't taken any classes, but I've done tutorials before. I also took a lot of CG courses in college, but that was a long time ago, and that's more about core fundamentals of CG and not so much techniques. I did use RenderMan at one point, though. Oh, not the y-axis. GZ. That's what I was saying earlier, though. Like, I really should just fucking, like, take a course or something so I can finally, like, understand the shit. Oh, this is a cube that goes from 1 to -1, I just realized. Okay. So that's why things are slightly off. You know what? To that end, let's move it up so that its bottom is at 0, 0. Not edit mode. Object mode. Move you up 1. Ta-da. I'm a wizard. Okay, so thinking of this whole block as the whole body rather than, like, half of it like I was a second ago. Those are gonna be some wide legs, but we are making a monster here, so, you know. My idea is that I kind of want to make... So, the setting of our game is going to take place in the museum, right? I want to have the monsters be, like, people that have been transformed or like merged with part of other exhibits and stuff in the museum. So like different areas will be like different levels, and I'm thinking the first area will be like a super far back history area. It's a worse way to describe it, but whatever. Wait, how do I get the grid to show up again? Crap. From this view? I wasn't on this view, though, but... Also, I need that grid to be smaller. Did I... No, 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 no. What did I do to my view, chat? No, don't do that. Is it clicking on the... Oh, that does it. Okay, yeah, there we go. That is what I was forgetting. Is this something else? Like, I think I'm grabbing something else when I touch that. Or is that part of the square here? Nope, that's the backside of it. That's annoying. Wish I didn't have that, but oh well, I guess. Shoot, I should remember the numbers. The numbers, Mason. Oops. Missed the Y button. That's 0.3. Just draw a square, then add volume. That way you won't have problems with the lines. You mean like add other shapes and stuff? because I can't quite do that. Wait, let me look at the overall. Now, so you're trying to pull off? Yeah, so, because I need to do rigging, like, put bones in the thing so I can animate it with, like, not programmatically, but, like, animate it using a skeleton. You might be able to do this with multiple objects, but I don't know how. But I'm trying to keep a single object and then just carve that into the entirety of my model. I don't know if that's like a standard thing that you have to do frequently or not, but... One other thing I wanted to check while I was in here. Yeah, your scale is 111, so I think that's fine. That's all good. Wait, why is your Z location... Oh, wait, I did that. Yeah. Oh, I used control click, not shift click. Ah. G, Z. I'm thinking like here. Like a solid 7. Among Us, chat. I've done it. I could turn this into Among Us if I wanted to, but I'm not going to. Okay. Because we're going to extrude this bit, I'm actually going to bring this down a little. Yeah, 0.3 seems good. Wrong direction, though. So ideally, I would like my entire model to fit inside this 2x2x2 cube that we created here. Well, started with, rather. Okay, the body. We're gonna need more more points than this. In fact, hell, you know what? I think maybe okay, yeah. Let's start with the pants, and we'll extrude upwards into the rest of the body. Also, I should make feet here, and also bring this in so it's not so ridiculous width-wise. Yeah, that'll be easier to do now than later. Interesting path you've chosen. Suppose there's nothing wrong with it. Oh yeah, I can select my face. I forgot about that. Okay, so GX. Let's say 0.5 in each direction. Wrong direction. Might be a little thin. No, it won't. It'll be okay. Besides, we'll round him out as we start getting deeper into it. Pants! Hey, what's up, Epio? I mean, you're not wrong. That's what we got right now. It actually might be a little too thick even still, but that's okay. We'll just start with this. Oops. Wait, what? Yeah, honestly, having just, like, more flat legs is a better idea. Pardon me. Which would be... Why is that freaking out? 0.2. Why are you mad? What the heck? Oh, did I move the wrong thing? Yeah, oh yeah, I totally... Well, no. What? Oh, man. Yeah, it, like, doesn't like that. Why? Why? What's wrong with that? The fuck? Alright, maybe if I put all of them in place, it'll be okay. Or it'll get a lot worse for some reason, I guess. That's also an option. Oops, wrong direction. Yeah, we lost the entirety of the bottom, and by lost it, I mean it's inside of this now. What the fuck? Why is that not okay? Also, is this hollow? No, it's not hollow. Like, it's specifically, like, moving this at all. It just doesn't like me moving it. It needs this exact angle or else. Even moving inward seems to break it. Why? Oh, maybe if I move this one and this one... Oh, I control clicked, not shift click. Okay, it's okay if I move inward, just not outward. Or it is until a certain point, for some reason, whatever. I guess we just live with that. But I need it to make it symmetrical at least, so... How much is it okay with? Alright, let's do 1.95. Or 0.195. Yeah. It's so bizarre. That'll work, though. Next order of business, and I hope this isn't any trouble. Yeah, you know what? We need to raise these higher. So I'm gonna turn this into, like, the entirety of their legs and feet. .6 maybe? 0.6 seems good. The deadly pants, chat, behold. Okay, I now need to... Oh, you know what? I would really prefer if these guys were lined up with those guys, because it'll just make my subdivisions so much easier. It's definitely 0.3. Perfect. Okay. And we'll need to have some knees at some point. Honestly, we just need to kind of subdivide this a lot in general. Yeah, I do need to bring this in more. This is still, like, way too wide. But I can use, like, the face select, I think, to more easily do that. So it doesn't really matter how many voxel or vertexes I have, vertices. Oh wait, that screwed up something. Wait, subdividing it screwed this up? Why? So it was there. Specifically when I subdivided this part. Oof. Maybe if I do it on both sides at the same time, it'll be okay. Well, that was okay. Oh, maybe I control-clicked and wasn't paying attention and I actually subdivided in, like, a weird way. Maybe, hopefully. Please let me subdivide this. Alright, cool. I'm okay with that. It's weird, but whatever. I must have control-clicked. Or control-clicked. Set can select other vertices. Why are the inner polygons dark gray? Maybe they're broken. There is a level of like shading and lighting that's going on, even though I've deleted the light and camera from this this scene. It has like an what do you call it? So it's casting a shadow over itself. That's why. His legs are also too far apart, or maybe not, as we are making a goofy little guy ultimately. So maybe it's just fine. I almost want to test this. I mean, I would have to make the whole skeleton, and I don't even have the whole body yet, but, like, I don't know if that's enough to make the knees bend properly. I need more at the bottom anyway to have the, like, the feet and everything, but... that ain't no thing. Speaking of that, I guess we'll do it now. This one I was originally gonna like do an extrude, but since we already have the bottom of our model exactly where I want it, I guess we'll just work into that. Some extra subdivides here and there. Should be a reverse 3D picture, you sculpt IRL and scan it in as a model. I'm sure you probably could make that happen in some fashion. The right tools. I think I might need to subdivide this way too. Will this blow up? No, it just doesn't work. Dang it. Well, if I do this though, maybe this will work. If I have these 4 and subdivide, well, that breaks that. That's unfortunate. This thing is so finicky. Ultimately, this is what I want to do, though. Just have it, like... Oop, not the whole thing. Okay, so because... Oh, jeez. Did not like that. Dude, I don't know why this thing is so... like this. Like, it just doesn't want me to, like, move it too much, or it's just like, ah... We just completely fall apart out of nowhere. Well, before we do this, since it is going to be a change of, let's get the width right here. Alright. Oop, nope, 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 nope. Well, now his, like, legs are crazy, but this is at least, like, a proper width, I think. Nothing else. Making a Lego man. Maybe this will stop being so weird now? I don't know. Probably not, but, you know. I mean, yeah, if this is acting this weird like this, I wonder if this is, like, gonna bode poorly for, when I try to animate it. Because, yeah, I feel like it might just go kind of nuts. on. Why is this so picky? I don't get it. Like, it just doesn't want me to move this. This side's fine, just weird. Alright, we're gonna do something incredibly stupid right now, chat. How do I even begin creating an armature? Forgoer. Oh. Oh, right, that is like another object in the scene, I forgot. That's how it works. Oh, not G. What is the thing to, like, make another bone? Insert keyframe. Come on, where's the option? Is it I? It's not I, or maybe, no? Wait, what'd that do? Oh, an animation. Nope, not C. Okay. Shift A, there we go. Oh, wait, no. Nope, that's select all. Shift A is add a thing, but I need to add a bone to this, not... I need to be in, maybe I just need to be in edit mode. Ah, there we go. Weird that it spawned it down there. Oh, this is the part of the soundtrack where it just plays all of the, all of the songs. Dude, what am I doing wrong here? I wanted to add to the end of the current one I'm on. Extrude. Ah, there we go. I guess also I should rotate this downward. Whatever. Oops. Oops. Ah. E, Y. There we go. G, Z. You sure there are edges where the inner legs become the crotch? Well, I need to split it out, right? Yeah, actually, honestly, this isn't even maybe the best test either. Don't worry, chat. Fucking hell. Why is this not showing me which bone's which? There we go. Oh wait, no, that's the right one. I think it's capitalized, I forget. I think I added a couple bones that don't exist there. Can't move them. I'm ignoring the armature thing. Oh, I see. Oh, you're talking about the model itself. Yeah, let me check on that. I'm pretty sure, because, I mean, I carved it out, but maybe I deleted something or moved something where it wasn't supposed to be, and that's what's happening. Blender. Mirror bones, yeah. T? X-axis mirror. Oh wait, so it is this thing? Oh, look at that. Make it happen. What the heck? I don't think that's right. I don't think that worked. This is a very old version of this as well. Make sure the cursor is centered and then Shift plus C. Didn't work. Again, that's Blender 2.79, we're on 4, so... Symmetrize. How do I do this? Edit mode, armature, symmetrize. Go on. Balls. Oh, there we go. Didn't work. What the heck? Whatever, man. Fuck this. I'm gonna try it. Oh, wait, I didn't link it up to the structure. Dang it, crap, how do you do that? Alright, give me like 2 seconds to go rewatch a video on armatures because I'm so lost right now. Rigging for impatient people, thank you. Wait, this video says it's 10 minutes long, but then when I hover over it, it says it's 7 minutes long. The heck?
Automatic weights.
Oh, right, I had to set the bones and everything. Alright, hold on. I'm gonna go from scratch here. Forget this nonsense I made. Delete that. Oh wait, I missed the part. How did they start this? The heck? So Shift A, armature, got it. Did start correctly at least. Oh wait, shit. Extrude them with E. Oh, I need to be in edit mode, right? So I am supposed to extrude them with E. Oops. E, Y. And GZ to bring it down. EZ. Easy clap, chat. I don't know if that's where the, how come I can't see the vertices anymore? Weird. Okay, but at least this time the bones worked. No, wait, no, there's still 2 extra layers, just like before. Maybe I shouldn't be starting with the left, also. Maybe it only mirroring works with the... with, .r instead of .l. That'd be kind of funny. Wait, what is it under the magnet? Snap to face project. I don't have that. Oh, there it is. Never mind, I do. And then center. Target selection, include active. I don't get that. Control to snap. Oh, that's just an alignment thing, okay. Alt P, okay. Oh, there's a whole thing you can do to just add .l to a bunch of bones. It's pretty neat. But armature context menu. Right click now. Symmetrize. Well, it created more bones, but it did not flip them. The fuck? Oh, you know what? I think I know why. Hold on. Because I didn't have everything selected. No! The heck? I don't know why I can't get Symmetrize working, Chad. I'm so fucked. There's no edge there? Oh. Oh, I'm missing an edge here. Shit. But I think it is not Control P. Alt P? No. Shift click your model with the armature. Wait. Select object mode, select your model and the armature. Ah. With automatic weights. There we go. Okay, now if I move the bone, I should be able to go into edit mode for that. Nope. It's not working even slightly. Cool. Why can I not do anything right now? Armature deform with automatic weights. I mean, I guess I don't have all the bones, so maybe that's part of it. But... okay, whatever. Let's go back. Get all this armature nonsense. I can't do it right anyway. What the hell is up with this? Oh, shit. Yeah, wait, hold on. Let me undo all of the armature stuff. There we go. Alright, I guess I can't go back any further, so I hope we've undone whatever we did. You see them vertices. Oh, so what you're saying is I need a seam between here and here, right? That does make sense. However... Oh, wait, not subdivide. I want to, yeah, new edge from there we go. That's simple. Okay, that actually makes me happy. Okay, cool. Is there anywhere I can see, like, the coordinates? Well, I guess I'm selecting 2 of them right now. If I was selecting just one vertex, like, where would I see the, like, actual stats on this vertex? Like, where is it, coordinate system-wise? Let me Google that rather than just say that at chat. How about that? Blender. Check vertex position. Ah, if I press N, there we are. Okay. So these are not lined up, and that was by design, but that was only because that seam was causing issues. So if I can just set all of these to 0.5 Y position, I think we're Gucci. And the others to negative 0.5. Oh, that pissed it off real good. Nice. Alright, one at a time. I lied. Kind of one at a time. Why is this causing so much chaos? Does it need a seam down all of these? Is that the problem? Like, even this one's not happy, which is not good. Alright. Let's add a seam to every fucking one of these. Or add an edge. And then we'll see if it's happy. Oh, I guess the other side doesn't have this. Maybe a problem? Oh, I guess up here it would be a problem, wouldn't it? Or maybe... I don't actually know. Well, now this is mad if I go outward. But going inward seems okay. Nope. Nope, it's not okay. What the hell? Like, there's an edge there. Dude, I need to just, like, give up and try this again some other time. Take a couple classes and do this shit. Hey, what's up, Static Haze? Bet it does. Ugh. I mean, I could try this too, I guess. It just seems like not right. Two of those surfaces have the same ID somehow? Don't know if that's possible or not. But maybe. Yeah, this thing's gonna freak out big time if I move it. I don't understand why it's like breaking going out too. Like like this should just be fine to move around. I don't get it. I don't understand. Randomize vertices, cool. How do I kill a edge like this? Maybe just delete. Ah. Oh, right, yeah, it prompts you. Oh, man. This is something. Yeah, I really don't understand why fucking with this tiny corner fucks up my entire model. Is there anything on my to-do list that I can just swap to? Don't look at that, chat. 3D should have stopped at Doom 1993. I think most of what I have left, there are random bugs I could look at, try to fix some bugs, but yeah, other than that, it's just like stuff that I want to throw in, but I don't know. We were fine without models. Yeah, just need a 2D drawing, just rotate it around. I mean, we could do that for our game. There's nothing wrong with that. It's just whatever I draw would be even goofier, so I like the idea of modeling stuff for my game, but I also just like I need to up my game because I don't think I have the skill right now. I am also still a little high from the company that I had over. That's not helping, but still. Still though, I don't know what I've done wrong here. References, references, references. What's up, Iconic Moronic? And she should have focused on voxels. Being high is never a problem, it's a solution. Bleh. I mean, okay, let's go all the way around with the edges here. Maybe it'll behave normally once I do this. Actually, that does kind of make sense now that I'm thinking about it. Shit, that might actually just be all we need to do. Alright, will this break everything? Please don't. Why? 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 Like, why can't I just move this the way I want to? Why can't you be normal? Like, okay, how do I track down what fucking edge is going crazy here? Because I would love to know. I do this? No, not edge, face. Give me the face. What fucking face is this? It's selecting everything. Why? Got edges on top of N-gons. Haha, typo. Minor spelling error. Like, if I move all four of these, does that behave relatively normal? No, of course not. N-gon's a polygon with more, more than 4 vertices? Ah, I see. I thought you were making an edging joke. My bad. I genuinely don't... That's extruding, they'll do that. Like, I guess I could go back and... Like, it's not like I have a lot here right now. I could just extrude, and I think that would behave relatively fine. But, I don't know. Let's nuke it all, chat. Say goodbye. And then... Not apply, Shift-A. There we go. Boom. He's born again. Transform. Take you up to 1 meter. So, how exactly do I want to do that? Yeah, I really ought to just, like, learn to model. I'm out of my depth right now. I genuinely think I need to, like, stop working on this, because I'm just, like, child with a toy, or with a, I don't know what the hell metaphor I'm looking for here. Yeah, I'm thinking that. Let's try to work through the bug list. I don't know, man. That's how you learn, though, right? Not efficiently. If I take, like, a course, I'll know, like, okay, here's how you're supposed to fucking, like, model something. Because, clear, like, that right there, like, what was happening there, that is clearly, like, I am doing something fundamentally wrong with putting together a model, because it shouldn't fucking do that. But, like, to me, that's, like, my understanding of, like, okay, well, I'm subdividing, so I have other vertexes, so I can, like, bring them into, like, a different shape to form something. But it's just, like, not... No, yeah, that's exactly what I'm saying. Like, there's just some rule to modeling that I just don't understand. And it's causing me grief. But I tried. Let's look at the list here. Okay, so there's a lot of, like, additional stuff to put in. Honestly, I kind of don't really want to fuck with the demo too much in terms of, like, adding stuff to it. The demo's, it's done. I want to start working on the game now. The first step's in modeling wrong, and then it's just broke. Trying to fix it's almost impossible. Yeah, it seems that way. Workflows are important. That's what I'm saying, yeah. It's like, I need to learn the proper workflow for working on that. Or working on models. Somehow we made this guy. I don't know how I managed that, but it's not the most amazing thing that anyone's ever modeled, but I'm happy with it. But we also did have random weird stuff happen to us that I didn't know how to explain in this, too, but luckily I didn't have to compromise. I was able to work around it. Alright, I'm gonna hunt down this random bug where the gun just keeps unequipping. Like, that definitely is something related to, like, state management that's going wrong. Yeah, I'm gonna shift gears to bug fixes, but first, chat, I'm gonna go take a piss. Be right back. TMI? Probably. But oh well. Now you know. get into my actual domain now and start coding. Well, I guess debugging at the moment. Whoa! I almost knocked that beer over. Thankfully it wasn't open anyway, but... good. Let's go. Okay. So, I don't know exactly how to reproduce this error. In fact, we've had it work, like, in every scenario, somehow, so there's clearly some edge case I'm not available, or not aware of. But basically, if you get the gun... Wait, the gun's in the gazebo. Oh, you know what? I should see if I can add a, like, collision hitbox to make that, like, have the player step up on it. Again, we're not using this long term, so I don't really care, but... Okay, so our gun is equipped right now. We could work on the code side of the enemies, but I really want a model to work with because I am going to start working on, like, the animation flag management stuff. And, like, having an enemy that's not just the random blob guy that has no skeleton, so I can't... can't hook into it as easily. It's not the play here, I don't think. Yeah, going into this room specifically... Okay, well we got it. There's a lot of errors here, but I think that all of these are ones related to the note stuff. Yeah, you can see it right there, note data, note data. There's... I mean, I could look into that too, but that's not actually causing issues, weirdly enough. That's just an error that spouts off on any room that has a memo in it. Which... it almost makes sense because it's saying, like, okay, well, I couldn't... Oh, well, it re-equipped my gun. What? So it knew. But in here, it unequips it. I could bring it back. That's weird. That's really weird. What's up with that? Okay, there's gotta be something about that room specifically. So I think if I load my save file that I made, it will still have my gun equipped, yeah. So, like, that's... specific to whatever's going on in here, I think. Or possibly... Wait, let me move to another room from the central room, because it could be the central room causing trouble here. Oh, yeah, maybe so, actually. Maybe it is that bug with the map, or the note data. It's like, I couldn't... Well, let's see what line that's failing at. Maybe it's, like... that's where it loads the player's, like, status. Screw a gun when you a sandwich? Have a tummy ache? True. That could make our tummy ache worse, though. Not the instance bridge. Give me my code. Damn it. Give me a better stack trace than this. God damn it. I don't think I'm able to open that file. Time for more Googling. Why did it copy the entire everything? It just... Godot. Object disposed. Exception. Cannot access dispose... Why am I looking on Reddit from 2 years ago? Oh, that's 4 years ago, even worse. Okay, well, this person mentioned specifically that they're using C#. Okay. Still from 2 years ago, but whatever. The thing is, I don't know what thing is, like, trying to be accessed here. And it's extra confusing because there's not even, like, if I already had gotten the note, I might understand the issue. It's also funny that it's happening, like, in... If this is the root cause of what's going on with the gun, it's happening, not in the room, but rather as you leave the room. But yeah, the memo is still there, so we're not even deleting the memo. There is logic to delete the memo if we've already picked it up. So I could see like that could be where it's coming from, but without having a stack trace of knowing like what's trying to reference it, I don't know why it would not exist. Like I would think other things in here could potentially be issues. I guess I can look for note data, because note data is one of our classes, right? Oh no, note data is a field on note pickup, maybe? Oh no, no, it is a thing, okay. So like, the frustrating thing is like, this doesn't pair with the output. Cannot open file, wait, what? Or bridge, C# instance bridge, CS. What? We got another one, chat. Wait, this person has a very similar username to the last one of those bots I banned. Weird. I don't know what's up with this. Oh, you know what? That's another thing too. I could load up or wire up the health bar so it actually reflects the player's health. Because we have player's health. Oh, game over also is the other thing I'd want to spruce up. Maybe that's what we'll work on tonight. Now that we're like halfway through stream already. My failed attempts at modeling. That is actually still all related to like the enemy logic, so that might be good actually to work on. Make sure the resources have been imported by opening in the project, or project in the editor at least once. I mean, we're in the fucking editor. I don't know why that would be an error. What is... let me see if this is like a known thing, because that's crazy. It just can't open the fucking file. Okay, so this is at least on the same version. It says close is completed. Nobody said anything in response. Cool. Archives. They fixed it, apparently. Except it's happening to me right now. On not... They're on 4.x, but they're on 4.0. And I'm on 4.3, so presumably they fixed it by now in my version. Maybe they broke it again, I don't know. I mean, I'm on a stable version though, so... Let's see, what's the latest though? Can we upgrade again? Wait, we are on 4.3, right? I think that is the latest stable still. Oh no, 4.2. Alright, fuck it. Give me 4.3, maybe it'll fix this issue. I did say I'd upgrade once we finished. Or finished the demo, that is. So I suppose that's what we're doing right now. Fuck it. Any second now it's gonna finish. There we go. Godot 4.3. Why is it taking... what? Why is this taking any time at all? Move the fucking file to the other folder. What's happening, chat? What is this doing? Go! It's 74 megs. It's not a problem. Also, yeah, I'm putting inside my currently existing install folder. What of it? Alright, Windows is completely shitting the bed right now. Very cool. Love that. Oh, now it just does it instantly. Cool, man. Love that, thank you. Alright, move that out of the install folder for 4.2. It's got its own folder. I guess we close this now. Here, stare at this guy while I close everything. I suppose I should close... Oh, you know what? No, I shouldn't close Visual Studio. Oh, this might fuck up. I hope not, though. Yes, upgrade it. Don't care. No way is this what's happening to my game and, like, the root of the error we're seeing here, but I wanted to do this anyway, so I guess we'll just upgrade whatever. I mean, we're only upping one minor version. How much could possibly change, right? Watch just breaks everything. That'd make me quite sad. Hello? I guess it's, like, opening for the first time, so it kind of makes sense. That would take a second to do whatever it's doing. Oh, cool! It breaks my skybox. That's awesome. Wait, why am I doing this? Hold on. Let me just load my save file. Okay, so it already forgot that I was holding a gun. Okay, the error still persists, and now we're actually, like, extra fucked because the sky is melted. Removing a collision object node. Ooh, wait, this. Okay, this is actually a thing. Removing a collision object node during a physics callback is not allowed and will have undesired behavior. Nuh-uh. How did this delete a... What? This is... So activate teleporter happens in here. Shut up. That's just on-bodied entered. That's not physics process. And then there's this one, but... I mean, that's also not... Oh wait, maybe that is physics process. It's in player interact. Oh, okay, that's not physics process, but I guess I get it. Like, they don't want you doing that in the update loop. It's a new error, though, I think. Dude, everything's just falling apart tonight, apparently. So it is this on-touch one, which is coming from on-body entered, which is just an event callback, not an update loop. So that's a weird way to word this error. Oh wait, a physics callback. Okay. Yeah, so because it's changing the scene, it doesn't like that. I guess we could work around that pretty easily. Because if it doesn't want us to do that, we shouldn't do that. You know? We just need... Wow, that's actually a really good suggestion. That's weird. I'll leave myself a comment, or a note. Comment. Note. This is done in the process function instead of on the event. Because changing scenes during a physics callback not recommended by... Or, I don't know. It's because it's not recommended. What the heck? Okay, this should make that happy. That's only one of the errors, though. There's actually a lot going on here. It's a pointer error. Okay, we're back to the same shit with the note. I don't know why. Is this gonna be better? Oh, yes! Oh, this actually is telling me what's going on. Nice. Thank you. Script properties generated 31. Okay, that's actually... It's closer, but... Okay, so it's trying to reference the note pickup. So I need to find what's calling the note pickup and trying to access the data, because it's like while getting that property, it's blowing up. Like always, for some reason. Yet everything else seemingly works with the notes, so I don't know what that's about. But if we can clear out all these errors, maybe they'll understand better why the gun is not equipping itself the way it's supposed to be doing it. It's ended up just being a bug fix night, but I'm okay with that. We're still making progress here. Note data. I'm gonna see if that did anything. At the very least, we should have that not show up anymore. Load our game. Equip our gun. Oh. Had equipped our gun and inspected the thing in front of us. Our sky got fucked, which really does suck. But that's okay. Alright, our gun's still unequipped. That's also okay-ish, I guess. Error. 4 RID allocations of P11 Godot Area 3D were leaked at exit. What? P12 Godot shaped 3D. What the hell? Well, that's good to know. Okay, so these two are still... Oh, check for room cleared is getting a null reference. Okay, well that's straightforward at least. Here, right? Oh, no, Why do I do the things backwards, chat? There we go. That's where I want to look. Okay, so map data is null. Get map data for room. Well, this should always be null checking. What the fuck? What's... Okay, well let's do this. Oh, you know what? I think I know why that's happening. I mean, this still shouldn't error, and maybe this is why the gun's freaking out. I don't need to return, that's fine. But... wait. An error. But... This'll at least shed some light. Yeah, we can definitely, like, safely error handle that. I don't know if this would cause additional errors, though, because this is, like, an independent script that, like, checks to see, like, oh, do you have everything, yes or no? In the room when you enter it. I don't know what else I needed to do to make that happen. Guess I'll just go back and forth in this room here. You can figure out what's up with the fucking background. The fog is, like, it is still working. It's very strange. Can't refresh map after finding cleared room -1. Room returned null map. Okay, so that's all that is like when you're loading from save file, it just errors there. I wish I could know when this is getting called into, like, the default map. That way we don't have to do the checks in here, but... oh well. Room ID, room ID, room ID. We could do a check for -1. Okay, I like this error being here as like a safety measure. I guess I'll just add like a condition because I don't want to hear about it when it's room -1 because that's fine. Oh my god, C-Sharp, I missed you. What's up, Chicken Salad? Thanks for the 48 months. God damn.
C-Hash, I miss you.
C-Hash. What you writing in these days? Love smoking that C-Hash. Hell yeah. Alright, so that should literally just get rid of this error, or not this error. Well, I mean, we did get rid of that error, but it didn't fix the equip problem. TypeScript, you poor bastard. I do a little bit of TypeScript at work too, actually. TypeScript is god tier for being JavaScript. That's a very good way of putting it. I super agree with that. Not to shit too much on JavaScript, but JavaScript and its consequences have been insurmountable in the programming world. It's too easy to make something that runs in JavaScript. It was a cryptic take and I refuse to elaborate any further. Okay, so in room info... No, not room info. I need to look at... Wait, that's not right. That can't be right. What the fuck? I'm looking for room data, which is not the same as room info. Why do I name things like this, chat? I wasn't even high when I made this class. Python ecosystem is worse than JS, though, by a lot. Fair. I don't really know on that end, because I've barely used Python. There's room info. Why am I not using any search features, chat? Wait, map room data also isn't what I'm looking... Okay, dude, I need to look at my error logs again. Note data. Ah, it's not like... There we go. This doesn't have to do with rooms at all. You, I think, are the guy that has the note data? Nope, this is the thing that handles the UI for reading notes. Note data. There we go. Shut up. One day Godot will fix this and let us have multi-line string arrays and C# frowny face. Amazing. I like that they have an enum for it, but it just doesn't work. Wait! Maybe it does now. Hold on a second. Don't look at that. Don't look at me looking at Ralph Bakshi's Lord of the Rings adaptation. I want to watch that. I've never seen it. It's intriguing to me. Never seen any of his movies. I'm not sure that I'm that interested in the ones that are more provocative in his filmography. But I am quite enticed by the Lord of the Rings one, even though I'm not the biggest Lord of the Rings fan in any way, shape, or form of it. Which again isn't a slight against it, I just didn't really... I don't know, I guess I did grow up with it. I saw the Peter Jackson adaptations as like a preteen, teenager. It's about when those came out, I think. When the hell did the first Lord of the Rings... Well, when the hell did Peter Jackson's first Lord of the Rings come out? I like that Rings of Power comes up first. It's funny to me because people seem to have very strong opinions about that show. Two Towers is not Fellowship, there we go. Oh, it was year after year after year? Wow, that's crazy. So 2001, 2002, 2003. Huh. Like the Legacy mate, it made more than itself. I point to it a lot for, like, being exposed to it through the Peter Jackson films. A lot of the impact of it is watered down a lot because, shocking chat, I played a lot of video games as a kid, and a lot of fantasy influence had been poured into, especially older games, honestly. I think an arm of that is because, like, D&D obviously made a huge impact on the way a lot of game design works. And not even just D&D, but, like, pen and paper, role-playing, and otherwise games undoubtedly had, like, some level of design impact on the way that people thought about designing early games. No, not just talking about fantasy elements, which I guess actually is more relevant to Tolkien's work, but yeah, I don't know. It's like I've seen a million things that have had, like, you know, elements of storytelling and creatures, and everything fantastical about Lord of the Rings is just, it's the Seinfeld effect. Like, it's been used in so many other... Okay, yeah, you already cut to it. I didn't even read chat. Yeah. So that's the grain of salt that I will easily offer as an explanation for my thoughts on Lord of the Rings. It's like, I get why it's not huge to me, and understand that it is still a very important piece of, like, literature. What the hell was I doing, chat? Oh yeah, I was gonna track down the thing. Oh, we did track down the thing. Now I need to, like, clone. The hell? Alright, we got the class. 37 references. Awesome. Note pickup. Okay, this is where the actual trouble's coming from here. Pardon me. I guess we'll just null check it up here. I don't know why this would be null, but if it's null... Boom. Oh, I probably should do this. Hold on. Just in case it's like an empty string or whatever. Instance ID will always be a number though, so I don't need to worry about that one. I actually talking about Ninja Flinger today. Said it was her favorite toilet game. Props to you. Thanks. We should, we ignored, like, store warnings and, like, just did not... Oh, I didn't, need to hit return after that, too. Whatever. I'm trying to figure out why it's null, so I guess we'll just debug it with this. Anyway, point is, it's no longer in stores. Tis a silly little game, though. Wait, I have less errors now, but also it's, yeah, it's not fixing the state thing, though. So it should tell me somewhere in here, like, hey, this was null. Oh wait, I see no error printout. No fucking way. Yeah, no, this is still clearly happening. What the hell? You always, like, update APIs. Yeah, stuff like that. I'm not saying it was a lot of work. In fact, it was probably just filling out, like, forms or something, but we didn't care when it happened. So we were aware of it, and we're just like, whatever. It's Ninja Flinger, who cares? Okay, so note pickup script properties generated. Oh, wait, well, yeah. Yeah, note pickup properties, which would be note data. What the hell? Also, while we're at it, note data, I want to check this, the note text. Arc main. Chad, I have thought of I've just realized a tragic miscalculation in my randomizer logic. I can't make notes part of the randomizer currently because they're a completely separate class of type of thing. Oh, also it looks like they have not added, respecting the multi-line hint. That's a shame. Shame on you, Godot. Yeah, and actually, just specifically, I had this tirade because we tested it. If I use GDScript, this will work. Like, obviously you don't use the same syntax, but like, if you tell it like, oh, I have an array of strings and they're supposed to all be multi-line, it will respect that in the editor. But the C# code, it's just busted. I should submit a ticket, honestly. I should not just sit here and bitch. I should fucking I should like, hey guys, did you know this is like not working? Just hope that the next update I download that it's just working suddenly. Alright, anyway, that's not important. What is important is note data. So note data is like blowing up. This is not printing out. Pardon me. Oh, but the problem is the problem isn't the null reference, it's that the object's already been disposed of. I see. Oh, you know what? Hold on. I think I might understand this actually, because we have a clone method in here, right? Maybe that's not... No, it is cloning it. Ooh, wait. It might be disposing of the array. Okay, hold on. There probably is an array.copy, but yeah, buddy, thank you. But if I'm I don't know though. I guess maybe this works because I'm making a new one and like we're disposing of whatever this one was. I'm assuming that my cloning logic is proper, which it totally might not be. Okay, anyway, we'll at least try it. Thank you. Hopefully this is okay, because strings are also fucking, like, character arrays under the hood, right? But we'll see. I guess there is a literal .clone you can call. Returns a reference to this instance of the string. Wait, no, that's not what I want. I want a new one. The fuck? I could do that, I guess. What if I two-string a string? 5,000 IQ play right here, chat. You know what, honestly, screw that. If the other things are working here, like, there's other strings we're copying here. I'm, like, paranoid now. This is either gonna work, or this is gonna be a really complicated thing to fix. Also, I don't know what is going on with that sky. That is crazy. It'd be so cool if this also fixes the other thing. I already see an error though, so I don't have high hopes. And yeah, there's a second error that's gotta be the fucking... Yep. Alright, I don't think that had any impact on anything. Either that, or these strings are not, Alright. Going absolutely nuclear with this. I think it is just that, like, my clone method is probably the right approach to whatever is going on here. But I'm maybe using it at the wrong time, or maybe even... The crazy thing about this is that the data on the note, like, it's there and it works. Like, I can prove this. Hold on. I can go pick up the note here, but not only just that, I can go to another room and read the note again from my other screen. That's the only place it should be cloning the data from, like, here to there. Because otherwise, like, in the scene itself, like, oh, it caused another error when I read that, too. It's weird. Oh, I just found a way around this camera trigger. That's annoying. Hello? Okay, whatever. I hit the trigger, so that's fine. But yeah, I can go here and reread it, and it's right there. So I don't get it. I don't know why it's doing this. Loaded resource as an image file will not work on textures. Oh, shit. Hold on, this actually has a stack trace I can follow. Note reader. It's saying it won't work, but it literally did work, though. Just saying. Image.load from file. And then I give it the string, yeah. I mean... Import the image file as an image resource. Oh, wait. Oh, okay. So, like, hold on. Wait, this won't work on export. Oh, I didn't even notice that. That might be broken in the build. The texture for the thing. Loaded resources image file. This will not work on export. So their solution. Oh, this is from a really long time. This is from 2019. I mean, it is the same error, though. I think it's correct, but their answer is correct. But I just want to double check. Okay, I have the documentation now on the current version that I'm on. That's good. But there's like a different method called .load instead of .load image that I might just need to use or something. Oh, okay, hold on. There's a whole table of like memory usage. Oh shit, that's really useful. That's pretty nifty. Good job, Godot. I don't care about compression. I want to know about loading it. Image resource. That word's not on here at all. .load is not on here at all. There's no code on this page. This is just this is good advice, but it is not the advice I'm looking for. I feel like that should have like a deprecated message or something. Okay, let me, instead of trying to Google this error, let me try to, like, just look up the proper way to load an image in Godot. Godot. Set texture to resource. File. Yeah, file. Load texture from file and assign to texture. Yeah, buddy. This is also 2019. What the fuck? Get out of here. Image.load. Oh, so like, okay, what they're saying is this, but this is from 2019, so I don't know. Yeah, new image, and then imager2.load, and then the file. I mean, maybe that's okay? I don't know, man. Wait, shit, there was another bit to that. Texture.create from image. Oh, well, we already have that bit. Okay, cool. What is the use of this if you're not supposed to use this, though? What the fuck? This fucking epic prank that Godot has played on us here. There we go. Oh wait, shit. Let's see if this works. Also, I shouldn't pluralize this as just singular error. Hold on. There we go. Boom, boom. Okay, we're not getting that additional error. This has not solved our other problem, but only getting these two now. Oh, right, that's when I read the thing, so we don't actually know yet. Hold on. One sec. Oh no, we still got an error. The fuck, dude? Loaded resource as image file. Import the image as an image resource and then load it normally as a resource. What? Dude, I don't get this. Like... Resource loader.load returns the imported resource from the path you provide. Images are imported by default as stream texture. If you want to return an image, you should probably configure that file to be imported as an image. Does this have... Okay, this does have the actual full thing on here. One sec. Let's read this. Import the image file as an image resource. So maybe that is an actual issue. Wait, don't I have this as a texture anyway? Maybe I don't. Oh, that could be an issue too. Oh, shit. Okay, no, they're literally just telling me because I'm loading the image. I need to load... Like, I can make a texture file and just load that. Okay. That is such a stupid problem that I've created for myself. Hold on. Not texture, what am I doing? Material, right? Oh, well, no, hold on. Maybe that's not what I should... import the image file as an image resource. So if I have this as an image resource, is that just... Damn it, I thought there might be some, like, metadata I can, like, set it as. Wait, load path? Hold on. Compressed texture 2D. Oh, so I'd really want to do this, then. Do I have other textures in here? Oh no, I only have materials, don't I? Dang it. Yeah, because I take the PNGs, then I turn that into... Oh no, I have T-Res, which is texture res, right? Or I guess that's a standard material 3D? Weird. Let's create one though. Hold on. Damn it. Well, I don't even really want material 3D though, because this is like a 2D thing, right? Alright, let me look up texture. What do we have in our options here? Yeah, I guess compressed texture 2D would be what I'm looking for here. Note. Sample. Note. Reading. Texture.tres. This still goes as a T-res ultimately. You there. You go here. Where do I do this? Hold on. It's not gonna work that way. Oh, load path. Probably. Oh no, this is looking for a C-tex. So I need to make a C-tex first, and then... Oh god. Dude, I'm so lost right now. I'm just catching non-stop L's tonight with my game development. So do I, like... Texture for 2D that is bound to a texture created on the rendering device. I don't think that's what I want either. Image texture, I guess? Possibly? Hey, you know what? Overwrite this motherfucker. Yeah. There we go. Okay, load path. Maybe I just need all files? I don't fucking know. Not material, let's go back. Up. Textures, 0. Note. Did not like that at all. What the heck? So I can, like, turn this into a texture or something. Wait, is this how I do this? Hold on. Maybe it is just like this, then. Maybe now that's something? I mean, it doesn't have, like, a... Yeah, it doesn't have anything on it. Ah! Why am I so confused? Referencing a resource to change a sprite texture. Yes, this is what I'm looking for. Okay, so having a texture 2D as a parameter. The thing is, I don't know how to turn this into a texture 2D. Like... load resource name of your picture.png. I'm very lost at the moment. I mean, this does still work, it's just still yelling at me regardless, so... Like, I think I get what it's saying. It's like, you do wanna, let's get rid of all this cruft. This is just as well, I think. I just need to use like a texture file instead of a PNG here, and I'm struggling to figure out how to like turn this into a texture. Like a material wouldn't make sense because that's for 3D and it has like other details about like 3D lighting and like normal maps and stuff like that you don't need for a texture, so I get that. But I don't understand why I can't like assign an image to this texture. Like if I like, what piece of this puzzle am I missing on that front? So I guess let me look up like Godot create from image. Maybe that's the secret sauce here. Fuck. And this is like using an SVG, which is what the fuck. I guess also while we're on that front, hold on, let me pop the game open. Let's see, nope, wrong game. Let's see here. Like, is this even a problem? I might be trying to fix something that's not a problem, but I don't know. I don't know, chat. Oh yeah, it is a problem. The build does not have the texture loading. So they're not lying, but I do need to use a resource or something, but like, I don't get it. I don't get it. God damn it. Okay, but yeah, let me, I mean, their official documentation has, like, an example where they're just loading a direct file, which is really annoying. Is it image texture? Well, no, that's what we have here, right? Like, that's what this is, I think. That's a compressed texture 2D. Alright, delete this fucking thing. Maybe I fucked up here, and I need to, like, instead... New material, or new resource, rather. Image texture. And then... Now what, though? Like, how do I set this? Local to scene, I don't know about that. Dude, I'm missing something very obvious here. That's just gonna bring that in here. So as stupid as clicking and dragging this somewhere? No. It wouldn't really make sense anyway, so whatever. Godot. Image texture. The fuck? How do I use this? How to convert image to texture. Oh, 2018. Dude, I'm so fucked. How does this work? Oh my god, I'm losing my mind. Alright, chat. I'll be right back. I don't know what is going on here. This is crazy. Round 2. How the fuck do I do this? Everything in the documentation for image texture just mentions, like, programmatically loading things into it, so maybe that's just how that's supposed to work, but, like, oh god. It's definitely, like, not okay with the way I'm doing this. Enums storage. Storage raw. Textures based on an image can be created from an image with create from image. I'm gonna try to find a video on how to, like, load an image from a file. In-game loading in Godot for file dialogues, drag and drop. No, that's not. In-game image loading. Now that's what I'm looking for. Hell yeah. Pardon me. And this is 3 years old. Oh, great. I'm sure the process is totally the same. How you can load images or other files on the side. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, file dialogue. Okay, so, like, that's interesting. Okay, they're binding events, blah, 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 blah. Image equals new image, image.load path, var texture equals image texture.new. Oh, maybe it's taking issue. Okay, hold on. Actually, I could see right here, right? It would be whatever this line is. No, it doesn't like this. So, like, this is the problem, not anything else. Okay, well, I'll try this anyway. Because this is a little different from what I'm doing right now, so maybe. Okay, let's do this, hold up. Oh, damn it. I got swept away. They're doing it in GD scripts. Image.load, note data dot note texture path. Var texture equals new image texture. Texture create. Okay, this is already just like out of date stuff then, never mind. There's like a create from image, but I guess like this is create from image, it's just a static method now instead of an attached one. Yeah, and then yeah. Just setting that. Gotcha. Curious what else, I mean, yeah, that just makes sense. I want to see this happen. Okay, they just do it by PNG, so maybe that just wasn't an error back then in, like, 3 years ago, Godot. I mean, there's also apparently just a load method. I think? No, never mind. It's what's the most confusing thing about all these examples are. People keep just talking about like a load method that's not attached to like any class. Create a new image or image texture. I mean, yeah, we did both. The PNG file is not a Godot resource. It cannot be loaded and must be imported. To do so, you must create a new image or image texture. Oh, I guess image could work. But again, the documentation's all pointing back to like exactly what I'm doing. Like you can call image.load from file, and even in their example, they have like an SVG example, like or like as their example file. This is like so infuriating. I'm like running in circles here. Textures can be created at runtime by loading images both in the editor and externally, but it's not happening externally. Fuck you. Like literally the code I have that I've written that's like in front of us right now is their example code, but it's just not working for some reason on export specifically. Godot.image.load. Like what does this do? I guess I can't see this. Never mind. Because images have to be imported as compressed 2D textures first to be loaded with gdscript.load. Oh! Warning, we prefer imported textures with gdscript.load over loading them within the file system dynamically with image.load, as it may not work well with exported projects. Okay, I'm getting somewhere now. But again, there is no fucking load method. Like that just doesn't exist. They're making shit up. Like that's literally, I'm looking at the official Godot documentation and this is driving me nuts. Tutorials, importing images. Okay, cool. No, you're useless. Oh wait, hold on. Okay, shit. Fuck. Might be onto something suddenly. What the hell? Oh, import. What? That is crazy. Why is that like that? Well, I mean, okay, but that actually doesn't help me at all because I'm still like, oh wait, okay, so do this and then what? How do I do it? Make a texture 2D here. Do I click re-import? Is that what I'm looking for? Or this? No, that's like load a file. Like, that didn't generate a texture or anything. Okay. There's the stats on compressing it. Just not getting it. Yeah, what the hell does gdscript.load mean? Like, what does that mean here? Oh, actually, literally just that. Never mind. Loads a resource from the file system at path. Is loaded on method call. Local path will just turn null. Method is a simplified version of resource loader.load. Seems like the same thing. Ooh, actually, you know what? Hold on. Resource loader dot load seems like it would potentially allow us to cache these images. I don't care about type hints. Cache mode. What do we got? Ignore, reuse, replace, ignore deep, reuse. Oh, I can read more details. Hold on. Main resource, not the one requested to be loaded. It's sub-resources and dependencies, external resources are retrieved from cache if present, instead loaded. Those not cached are loaded, then sorted into cache. Same rules apply. Okay. Same rules? What rules? I went... Oh no, I slipped into Jordan Peterson mode for a second. What rules, you sons of bitches? I'll get you next time. Okay, so we got a resource now. So what the fuck does that do for us? Image texture dot create from image. That only has image as a parameter. Image dot resource. Something with resource in it. Nope. Image I equals new image. I don't know why I did it that way. Okay, there's nothing in the constructor that works that way. Okay, hold on. Gado resource to texture. How to create a texture from image in editor script. What the hell is editor script? What? GD script? No, editor script. I guess it's like some extension, some tool you can use with GD script. Oh, I guess image.create would be kind of what I'm looking for. But this person's like procedurally doing stuff. That's not Okay, damn it, they have like most of what I'm looking for here. Oh, but a texture can be a so I can just treat this as a texture then. Is it gonna accept that? I didn't think so. Oh, I'm looking at GD script, they don't have types, so but maybe just can do this. This might really blow up, but I mean, we'll see, I guess. It's Goon time. God damn it. Also, what's up, Int? Seemingly the only thing that broke when I upgraded versions here was just the skybox being too bright. Don't know how that happened. It's weird. Still got errors, so I'm thinking... Oh, well, no, that doesn't matter. I need to inspect it. This has been, like, the most unproductive game dev stream ever. Okay, well, that doesn't even work, because it's, like, blowing up now. Cool. You broke it worse. Good stuff. Invalid cast exception. Okay, fair enough. Okay, how about this instead, though? But we keep what we got, but then also... I should probably add context to that. Hey, what's up, Turner? Oh, Turner, I've been meaning to mention... I have a spreadsheet of, like, literally everything I've ever streamed. I should have mentioned this when you were asking about, have I played this, have I played that, earlier. There you go. And granted, that's not everything I've ever played in my entire life, but that's everything I've ever streamed, and most of them have links to the videos of me playing it. I guess actually it's a time thing. Anything before, I think Resident Evil 3 Remake was the first thing I like uploaded and saved like the VODs, rather than just like letting them decay. But yeah, everything after that, which would be like, I think that was March of 2020. Was I gonna write around this? Anyway, just figured you might might get use out of that, as you did ask about it. Driver 2 does have a replay system. Nice. I gotta revisit my PS1 list because I do want to add some stuff. I don't know if we'll be adding Driver 2. I might, maybe. I don't know. Gosh, what am I doing here? Oh, I wanted to add context around this message, so this is, there we go. Nice. Good stuff. I'm a huge fan of DuckStation myself on that front. But I've used other PS1 emulators and not really had any issues either, so whatever works for you. For PS2, I don't even know if there is anything other than PCSX2. Okay, oh, well, yeah, it worked because I didn't take out the code that works. But I found the... Oh, it's the spreadsheet I just linked. This thing... Sorry, I kind of, like, linked that and then started talking about it, which is confusing. It's also somewhat of a preview of, like, stuff I might stream in the future, because ideally... So we're down... let me check, I got the number on that spreadsheet. There are 28 games that I've streamed that I haven't beaten. Now that's, like, excluding games that, like, don't have an ending. For example, like, PUBG is on there, and, like... I guess I have beaten it in the sense that I've won a game of it, but, like, you don't really, like, beat that game, you know? Same for other similar games. Please do Driver 2 and San Andreas. I would definitely be down for San Andreas for sure. I had this thought earlier today where, like, I'm like, oh man, I could play like a GTA game. This would be shorter to do that, I guess, but I've never played Cyberpunk 2077, and I feel like that could be a lot of fun. But whatever. And Driver 2, possibly. I gotta be honest, I don't really love the idea that, like, you can get out of the car. I feel like one of the most unique things about the game is that, like, it is like the movie Drive. Like, you're just the driver. You're not the muscle. You don't do any of the dirty work. Yes, on Cyberpunk. It's just, the thing is, like, it's just, they're big time commitments. Like, I'm totally not opposed to playing either. It's just, it's gonna take a while to get through it. I'm looking for output. Image texture is type compressed texture 2D. Okay. So... Oh, that's what I did wrong. Literally just that. Okay, so let's try to do that. Get this out of here. And maybe the game will stop yelling at us because we're loading things properly now? I honestly don't know. Be pretty nifty if so, though. It still doesn't cause... That does not solve the other problem we've been having with the note yelling at us for, like, us trying to access something that's been deleted. I don't know what's going on with that. Okay, that still works. That's good. And oh, we didn't get a warning either, so we're even better. I'm gonna go read it in another room and see if the same thing happens. I guess I could read it here. It's the same system, but whatever. Yeah, no warnings. Nice. Okay, cool. I can get rid of that debug statement as well, then. Get that out of here. Get these out of here, because game doesn't like it when you do that. One cool thing I like about this is that loading it this way, not only do we get this caching, which is really nice, but we also get, like, I thought I might have needed to, like, add more resources here, like add a, like, texture or whatever and load the image in the texture. That's just, like, a lot more, like, extra work every time I want to add a new background for the notes, which probably wouldn't be too frequent, but, like, it is just, like, it's more setup. And if anyone were to, like, take this engine, because I do make this open source and have it out for anybody, like, I want to have this, like, the smallest amount of friction if anyone were to try to, like, build something off of this source code. In terms of, like, what you have to do to get things set up, like what you have to do to add stuff to it, understand it, etc. Not to say anyone ever will use this code for anything, but it's out there, and I'm trying to make it nice, so that's all I'm trying to say. Let's fix the sky, because that should actually be really easy to fix. By the way, while we're at things here. Alright. I'm running 2 copies of Goon's House of Doom at once, chat. You can't stop me. Guess I can load the same save file, right? Why not? Oh, so it's almost like the fog is more different. No, it's not really different. It's pretty much the same, like, degradation of stuff around you. I'm not gonna make this perfect because ultimately, like, this is the demo. I don't want to, like, tweak things endlessly. Like, that fountain's not gonna be there in the long term. Like, there's so much stuff I'm just gonna rip entirely out of this. But yeah, let's figure out what the hell's going on with that. So you play GTA one day? That's tomorrow, even. It's crazy, right? I'm excited to play it. Should be a good time. Yeah, I mean, like, this looks right, but I'm gonna make this, like, super dark and see if it's, like, relatively affected by that. It's literally all I did to make the sky the color it is in the demo, so I don't know why it's just like... Oh yeah, no, that did work. Okay, if I put it back to this, is it... Because it's definitely darker than it was. Did it just, like, clear out the color somehow, even though it did save it? Yeah. Or, no, it definitely is, like, that lighter blue now. Dude, I don't know what's going on with this. But we can just make it darker and everything's fine. I don't care. Really don't care that much. What the hell just happened? Soundtrack there. Alright, that's about right. It's a little too too much... It's a little too vibrant. Oh, wait, dude. Ah, I could have done this to begin with. Where's the camera at? There you are. If I just do this, it will show me what it looks like, and then I can just adjust this, and we'll see exactly what it's going to look like as an end result. I would like something that's like a little more pale. I guess closer to the center for that. I don't want like a green sky, that's funky. That's more what I'm looking for. I am really interested to see what that is going to be like overall. GTA, that is. Because I do think that, like, on paper, a 2D version of GTA sounds fun. But I don't know. Hold up, let me, wait, export templates are missing again? Oh, it's because I just downloaded the new thing, or run a new version now. Okay, chat, give me 2 seconds, I'm gonna delete this, and then I need to hide my capture real quick. It's not, there we go. I don't think this, like, shows anything, but whatever. It really doesn't. Actually, I can just show you guys what's going on. I didn't know. I just want to be safe. So that's all well and fine, and that did actually fix something, but the other two underlying issues are still present. Like, I'm still having the issue where, like, it unequips your gun when you go into a room with a note in it. Or at least when you go into the central room, like, maybe something is wrong with the central room, I don't know. But then it also thinks that, like, it's trying to access a disposed object when processing the note in the room. Actually, wait, that's not even the problem. The problem is when you're leaving that room. So fixing this other error, I think that, like, definitively is not going to be the fix to the gun issue, because the gun thing is happening not in the room when you load, but rather when you go to another room. Or alternatively, it could be an issue where, like, the other 3 rooms have a problem in them, but the central room does not, which is why the player correctly is, like, remembering what you have equipped in that room, but not the other rooms. I still would like to get rid of this random, like, error telling me I'm accessing something that's been deleted, because that shouldn't be happening. Wait, this was a gig? Oh my god. Gross. I probably have 4 other copies downloaded because of the fucking... all the versions of Godot I have. Yeah, you know what? Delete that. Yeah. Delete this, too. Get it out of here. Alright. Should be able to export now. That's not what I meant to do. Okay, no errors now. Excellent. Where's the debug flag? Runnable debug. No, not what I'm looking for. It's a checkbox somewhere that's like, hey, have debug on, right? It's not... yeah, it's not over here. Oh, it's when I... it's after this. Yeah, export with debug. There we go. Bazinga. Could not find that. Okay. Probably not okay, but we'll see. More important thing is, let's see if this actually reads the note properly. Yep, it loads the texture now. Hell yeah. We fixed that. Cool. That is nice. Not worthy of, like, pushing out another build, I think, but if we get some other stuff done here, I think maybe we'll be able to do that. Oh, let me write that. So I use this as, like... oop. I use this to build my changelog when I, like, publish an update, so I... even if I'm not, like, sending a build out, like, just having those written down is helpful. Oh, these are the bug fixes. Fixed loading images for note. Reading screen. There we go. Forgot my nomenclature for stuff. There we go. So blah 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 blah. This other thing, like this whole object disposed exception, this isn't exactly something that I want to publish under the changelog, because like internally it doesn't appear to be interfering with the notes at all. But I don't like that it's happening, because it could be causing like a larger state management issue if this is like throwing an exception partway through like a setup step, you know? And it just doesn't do the things after it either. I just don't understand why it, like, I don't know. Let me copy the whole error and read it out loud. Not out loud. Let me just read it, because I've been skimming through it. Object disposed exception, yeah. The worst part of this is I don't know exactly like where things are going wrong. So obviously like the note data member of our... wait. It mentions the other script somewhere in here, right? Yeah, note pickup, yeah. Yeah. Note pickup dot get Godot class property value. So in trying to get that, it like somewhere in here, it's ah man, this is confusing as hell. Okay, let's go crazy with this, because I tried putting a thing in that was targeted to like show me when that's null or something, but instead let's try this. Not note data, but rather... Also, I can probably take that other thing out with the array because it didn't really fix anything. I thought the problem was that the array was not getting propagated properly, but it was not it. Menu note, note pickup. This is where it's happening. Genius? I didn't ever tell you that, lol. An amazing genius who can create such concoctions as the pants that I can't move or else they'll blow up. Wait, the fuck? Yeah, there it is. Behold! My genius. Anyway. Thank you, though. That was like the first hour of stream. I was trying to make an enemy, and I got to the part where I had his pants, and I couldn't change it any more than that, or the entire model would just implode like that. And then I decided, alright, I need to go take some lessons on how modeling works, because I don't understand this. That's too funny. This game development has its magical moments. That's all I can say. Oh, crap-a-rooney. Okay, yeah, this thing, like, blows itself up. Okay, let me print this out. I don't know why I'm typing in caps. There we go, this is what I'm looking for. Cool. Alright. Let's see what info we can glean out of this. Wait, no, the error comes up over here, so it doesn't even... Ah. Damn it. It's annoying. Yeah, so it does go all the way through the code. I was hoping I would see at what step in this process that error pops out, and... yeah, fuck. But also, like, I mean, we already knew this because we were able to pick it up, but, like, the note isn't even, like, deleting itself. So this line here, where we, like, queue free the parent of this, like, that's not even happening here. Like, I could get it that arrow is coming up, like, after we've already collected the note, so it's, like, prematurely deleting it before, like, it should. Like, if there's an issue with, like, doing queue free on something when you're in the ready method, like, I could understand that from, like, a game engine, like, standpoint, but, like... that's not happening. Like, this line didn't get printed, so that proves that we didn't call the queue free. Plus, also, everything else about how this works right now, like, seems to confirm that, like, yeah, that opens just fine. Or, like, the notes are saving their status and everything just fine. So I really have no idea where it's getting this idea that the object's already disposed. When do we call clone? It's only in like one place, right? Yeah. Notes collected dot add. Oh, we have the whole data in there. That's interesting. I don't know why I did it that way, because what do I even use that for? Yeah, let me see where else I use this. Hold on. A lot of places. What the hell? Oh, do we pass it back? Is that why? Oh. Oh wait, no. That's initializing this when we load it from the file, or just the game state in general. Okay, we use it for the node ID, but I feel like just like with the doors or enemies, we could just save the node ID and nothing else. Is there something else we're using it for? It's a loop over it. Again, just matching on node ID and nothing else. Like, I don't need that clone. The unfortunate thing is there's like... The save file is storing it this way. Because I had it this way, but it really doesn't... Oh, wait, no, I know why now. It's because we don't call it from the player's standpoint, but we use all the data so that we can recreate the node after you've already collected it. Look at the list. Have you done any Resident Evil remakes? Oh yeah, I have. I have played every Resident Evil game. I mean, okay. The only Resident Evil games I have not played are incredibly niche ones that were on, like, cell phones before smartphones. And then there was one, I think it was only on iPhone, maybe it was on iPhone and Android, but like for a very small amount of time they had like, I think there's actually 2 games that they had that were like online play only, mobile only, and I never paid attention to those. So those 2 I haven't played, but, or how many ever of those there are. I think they might have also only been in Japan, like, so... Not having a smartphone in Japan in like the early 2010s. But yeah, otherwise you name it, I played it. I played the fucking Tiger Gamecom version of Resident Evil 2. I have played Resident Evil Degeneration, the game they made off of the one movie on the Nokia N-Gage. Oh yeah, I'm a Resident Evil freak. Now having said that, I have more fondness. Well, I don't know. Okay. Resident Evil vs. Silent Hill is a very weird debate. Not that anyone brought it up, but I'm bringing it up. Freak lol. So Silent Hill wise, I've played the first 3. I've kind of played 4. I played it for like a couple hours, and then I for some reason just didn't keep playing it, so I've never like finished it. I barely played it. I probably played like the first, I don't know, 1/8 of the game, maybe. Beyond that, I have played through Silent Hill Homecoming, and I didn't finish Downpour, but I played Downpour on release. I don't have any fond memories of either of those 2 games. Dang it, I just realized the people that were visiting me left their Switch here, because I can see it in the corner of my eye. Unrelated. Did I do that one game? Oh yeah, so I did not play PT when it came out because I didn't have, that was PS4, right? I didn't have a PS4 when that was out. Or wait, hold on, let me double check that. What console was PT on? Yeah, it was PS4, okay, I'm not out of my mind. But there are fan recreations of PT, and I played one of them that had VR support. So I played PT in VR. Very cool. I don't know what the original experience was like, because I didn't have a PS4 at the time when it was out. And now you can't download the demo anymore, so that sucks. Anyway, I think Silent Hill has some, like, incredibly amazing moments in horror history. But I think now that we're like many years down the line, and I'm saying this in the year that Silent Hill 2 remake came out, I just want to contextualize that if anyone sees this clip at some other time. I think on the whole, Resident Evil has a much higher consistency, even if it doesn't reach the same peaks that Silent Hill does. Like, Silent Hill 2 and 3 are fucking brilliant. 1, I don't remember too well. I would need to replay it, and honestly, one day I probably will replay it. Because I haven't played that since I was like a teenager. but I've played 2 many times. I think I've played through 2 at least twice on stream. 3 if you count the remake, I guess. I wouldn't, but it's kind of the same game, but modernized. 3 I played just once on stream on hard, and goddamn, that game is like way too hard when you play it on hard. Especially the puzzles. The combat is also a whole situation, but like, honestly, the puzzles are somehow more brutal than the combat on hard. Though I do know that the combat scales up like literally indefinitely, because when you clear it on hard, you unlock like hard EX, and you like that keeps going up like EX2, EX3, and you can just do that endlessly, and it just scales up the numbers of everything. I'd have to assume at a certain point it's impossible to beat the game, but I guess you do have melee weapons, so maybe not. I don't know. But suffice it to say, fuck the end boss of Silent Hill 3. That shit's built like a goddamn Dark Souls boss, but you have like PS2 era survival horror controls. Like it's not a good mix. But I do love that game a lot. Oh shit, a raid. How come there's the sound? Yo, Nitro raid. What's up, D. Jocelyn? How's it going, Emerald Sniper? You guys don't know D. Jocelyn. Oh, hey, what's up, Sir Stefan? Show me what you got. Sure. Yo, what's up, Diverto? Chillin' Choom? Welcome on in, y'all. Name's not sus at all. Listen, chat. I can explain. I made this account 7 years ago, and in fact, I've been using this, like, username for way more than 7 years. It goes back to when I played Super Smash Bros. Melee, and I thought the word Goon was funny, like a henchman. Like an old-timey cartoon henchman. And, you can fit up to, like, 4 letters over your name in Smash. So I used Goon. I was not a Mr. Game & Watch main, but those two together, it's just a silly phrase. It's the old meaning of the word? Exactly. Hello, Chooms on the GameCube? Yeah, the GameCube one. I mean, I also put a lot of hours into Smash 64. In fact, I was playing Smash 64 earlier today. I had some house guests over, and they were like, hey, we want to play Smash. What's your favorite version? I'm like, I don't know, the Switch one's fine. And they're like, oh, my favorite's the N64 one. I'm like, well, I literally have an N64 right here that I can just plug into my TV, and then we're good. Name is Angel, like fine wine. I do think it's kind of hilarious given the modern context of it, but it does also give people the complete wrong impression constantly. Also, thank you for the follow, Sir Stefan. One of the goons going out and then coming home to Goon. Anyway, I'm working on an old school survival horror type game. Which is called Mr. Goon's House of Doom 2, as it is a sequel to a game I made in like 60 hours a long time ago. Right now I'm trying to fix some bugs that are driving me crazy. The 2 main ones we're looking at right now is this. So you can see right now, my character has nothing equipped. If you look up here in the equip slot, there's nothing equipped. I did have a gun equipped, so if I walk in here, in this other room, suddenly, he knows the gun is equipped, and he equips it. But if I go back in this room, he's like, oh, I forgot the gun's equipped. So that's the one error I'm working through. The other error I'm working through is this error just keeps going off, and it could be related to the gun situation, but I'm not sure. And I also don't know what's going on, because the stack trace is entirely just native Godot calls, and nothing that's my code. So that's what we're doing right now. Using Godot, goody. Yeah, it's not my favorite. I kind of was okay, so the first Goon's House of Doom that I made, I was using Unity, because I mean, I still am a lot more familiar with Unity than this, to be honest. I put a lot more hours of game dev into that. I mean, honestly, I probably put more hours into, like, using no engine than I have Godot, even at this point, this far into this project. Sounds like a fun stack trace. Yeah, it's super confusing, and I try to put in, like, debug statements, but this is, like... So, like, exceptions get logged in one area, and then, like, errors get logged elsewhere. Also, ignore these errors. These are not part of the other error. In fact, I don't really know what's going on with them. Oh, wait, I thought I deleted this. I did save. Most experience with no engine, nice. It's good stuff. I got a lot of respect for people that do that. Personally, I do like the benefits of game engines outweigh the negatives. And this has been a fun romp exploring what Godot can do in 3D, and I'm impressed by some things by it. Like, for example, like, let me just show you guys this. If you guys aren't familiar with Godot, there's a thing called grid maps that they have where you can literally just like paint the terrain that you want, and like these may be cubes, but like you can literally put like any model in this and like just paint with it, like staircases or whatever the hell else you want to import in here. I just mostly have cubes right now because I haven't modeled a lot of my game, but I'm more of a coding guy, so I put a lot more focus on the code first. Godot couldn't figure it out intuitively in 10 minutes and went back to Unity. Also fair, honestly, it's whatever. Engine benefits are 100% worth. They put Minecraft in Godot. I can't, you're not even the first person to like say that, which is the funny part of that. Also, if anyone wants to play this janky piece of shit, I do have a demo out. It's very short, but there's also just not a lot of content in the game right now in general. Actually, more important than that, though, probably something that's more interesting to y'all since you were watching a game dev stream. I do have all of my source code that I work on stream uploaded to GitHub. Completely open source, do whatever the fuck you want with it, I don't care. I've worked on this, the previous version that's a Unity project. I have this like silly little randomizer app that I use on my stream for stupid purposes that has Twitch integration. I'll stick to my co-op DX mods, also fair. Wouldn't get far with game engines without reading too much, or needing too much time. That is also a fair thing. Like, it's an investment for sure. Like, you gotta learn how each thing works. God, I've completely lost my train of thought. Oh yeah, I'm trying to fix these two bugs. I really don't know why it thinks this thing's been deleted. Yeah, so essentially what's happening, so again, this is a retro survival horror type game, and one of the core features of those old games that I wanted to bring over into my game is having like a memo system. So like, you know, you're wandering around the world, you can inspect like a diary or something, and you get like, boom, here's some text, and you know, some of these might have codes in them or other stuff to like solve puzzles, or even just hints to tell the player where to go, whatever it might be. That is where the error is coming from, but everything like functionally is working about this. Like the error is there, but like nothing seems to be broken other than this one random thing with my gun, and it's like reverse broken too, because like it works in this room, but when I go from this room to anywhere else, it completely forgets about like what my status was. It's giving me the RuneScape 2002 vibes for some reason. Hell yeah. I would, that's a compliment if anything. Going to make NPC characters? Absolutely. In fact, so we're kind of moving, so like I just released a demo for this at the end of October, and I am moving into the next phase where I'm inevitably going to need to lean on the help of my friends, partially for voice acting, partially for some of their other skills. Like, some of them are really good with UI and will probably help me make my menus not look like this, like the most depressing thing you've ever seen in your life. It's disorganized trash. It does look like RuneScape. But yeah, anyway. Those are all details that I need to get figured out, and just coordinative stuff that, you know, it's part of the process. So far this has been a solo project, minus things that people have sent me sound-wise. Like we've got, I don't know if I can find the music loop, but we got this. Got a loading screen thing. We talk on the level of Resident Evil 1 voice acting? We sure are. Absolutely. That is the goal. Like, okay, here's the balance I'm trying to set with this game. I do want it to be cheesy, but like, I also fully acknowledge that things that like aim to be cheesy, that's not as fun. Like The Room is a fun movie because they were trying to make a legitimately good movie and they failed. I think there is still space to be silly and like riff on ideas of things that have been well done in the past. But that's like, I'm aiming more towards parody and not like intentionally terrible for the sake of like, haha, isn't it funny how terrible this is? A volunteer to be a cheesy voice actor? Thank you. I will let you know. I think I still gotta write stuff. That's the main thing where I'm like confused about like how many people I even need right now. But I will keep y'all posted on that front. Intentionally bad is not good. Exactly. Like I don't want to fall into that. Like, but that doesn't mean you can't get like silly with like the base idea of like, okay, here's a horror game, but what if crazy? Like bad movies when they try to make a good one. Very much so. I think that's the best place to be like a bad movie. So I'm trying more so to steer in the other path of like it's gonna be farcical, but like the game, like everything, the details about the game should look good relative, at least, you know, to like me just making a silly little project that's a free game. Anyway, thanks for listening to my random rant, Raiders. Hopefully I've scared everyone off by now. Right now, none of that tissue's in the game, because right now it's just like the functional bits of the game. But that's where we need to go next, I guess, with the game. But also I need the game to work, so I'm trying to fix random shit like this. This error might not be anything, or it could be the reason that the gun thing is happening. I'm not really sure. Okay, how about this? So we have specific logic. I don't know why I haven't thought of this. It's been like 2 hours that I've been trying to work on this problem. Let's go to the actual player status thing where it checks like what weapon you have equipped. I think it might reference it. Oh man, come on. Not implementation. Get out of here. References. Okay, outside of the player status script itself. Oh, so this is public, but it's not actually referenced anywhere. Interesting. Outside of the own class, which is fine. So, does player call something in here that's like initialize the scene? Because something has to be passing the animation flag when you load into the scene to say like, oh, this weapon is currently equipped. Alright, let me search. Maybe this find references didn't work properly. Oh yeah, no, it checks else. No, damn it. Okay, no, but yeah, we do actually grab it elsewhere, so that was just a wrong check for where it gets used. I guess... Let me try this. Not equipped weapon. Yeah, so if... Yes, load player status, okay. If equipped weapon index.has value... Let's just try this. Or, yeah. There we go. Loading might also be a factor. No, it's not, because we tried it without like saving or loading, and it still did the same error. Okay. so that is very interesting. I don't know if that keeps getting called. I don't think it does. No, yeah, it only got called the one time. So this is saying that, that is very weird, actually. It's saying that we had a weapon equipped, and the weapon equipped is whatever's in slot 0, so maybe it's like checking that before we load the inventory in, and it thinks like, oh, there's nothing here, so like, don't actually load anything. But this is, in fact, yeah, this is what updates the UI, as well as the animation flags for like, hey, this weapon was equipped. I would assume this gets called multiple times, but apparently not. Alright, chat. I will be right back. I'm gonna take another quick break. Can't imagine why I am constantly needing to use the facility. It's almost like I'm ingesting a lot of liquid. Hypothesis. What if the issue, or the solution to this problem, is simply just more weed? You ever think about that? Let's test this theory. Might help. I knew you were a genius. Also, this fucking chocolate is dangerously delicious. Edible should not be this good. It's irresponsible. Anyway. Okay, I think we can get to the bottom of the weapon issue, because I'm unfortunately abandoning the random error that's going off. Like, it's not affecting anything ultimately, which is weird that it's not doing that, but also like we don't need to worry about it if it's not a problem. Annoying because it clutters up the error logs, but whatever. It's not like we have a ton of other errors going off. And it also does it once per note in the room. I guess that does make sense, but whatever. Okay, so this only happens, like, once. Oh, it happens on the load from game state. Is there ever a time where it exits early out of this? I mean, it would still print this much, which it's only doing once. Ugh. Alright, I have a really stupid thing I want to test here. Whatever, that's fine. Maybe I'm wrong and it is doing it more than once. I just didn't notice because it's like the same thing being typed over and over. But yeah, so I guess that 0 does not help. Yeah, I'm using C# with Godot. Mainly because it is like much more performant than GDScript. I have nothing against GDScript. I mean, yes, I do have bad performance against GDScript, but whatever. Alright, 8786. Oh yeah, it does do it it does it like multiple times. That's really weird, actually. No, wait, no, it doesn't. It just does it once, I think. Hold on. Yeah, no, it's just one more time. Okay. Like, it does call it. I guess if there's, like, nothing in that slot, maybe that will cause an error. Or if it's doing, like, oh, I wonder if it's, like, loading this too fast or something, and then, like, the inventory is refreshing itself before it actually loads in, like, what's in the inventory. Okay, hold on. Where do we load the inventory? No, that literally happens beforehand, so... Okay. I hate how I've done some things in this section here, but whatever, I have to live with them. It's the whole way the UI, like, waits for a signal to refresh itself. And also the fact that I need to update, like, both the inventory and the item box as, like, two separate things because... just because... It does work, but... it's not my favorite. Okay. This is gonna be really spammy, but whatever. Eh. This will tell me what I need to know, which is, when it loads this, does it know what the player's inventory is? Because it seems like the answer to that is no. It's also doing, like, I think there's two bugs happening here, because when we first load into this scene, like, I should have the weapon equipped right now, but I don't. Okay, so slot 0 is fine, according to this, but we don't have the gun equipped. Let's go over here. The hell is this song? Oh, this is like the lyrical one. Oh wait, this would be the same because it's gonna actually equip the weapon properly. This isn't even the lyrical one. Okay, here's our next set, and again, it's only 1 through 5, which it should be, because again, we've only got something in slot 0, but... Equipped weapon equals 0. The state is right. The hell? Okay, let's dig further into weapon equipped then, I guess. Player equip weapon. I can type. I didn't use that thing. There we go. Ah. Oh. Oh wait, hold on though. Why is this called multiple times? The heck? The heck? What's happening? Well, player status calls that way. What the hell calls this then? Oh, it's like double calling it. That's actually the problem. It's flipping on and off. It has nothing to do with anything else. Damn it. Well, cool. We don't even need to get the play. Oh, well, no, I do need to get that because I use it elsewhere. That is the dumbest reason for that to happen, Chad. My weapon's still not equipped, which is bad. Oh, wait, no, it just said unequip 0. Oh, I think I didn't fix it. Maybe I didn't hit save? Oh, that is the problem, though. It's calling unequip. Did I not hit save? No, I did. Song's so good. Is this part of Pizza Tower? Oh yeah, it is, isn't it? Wow. Such a good fucking soundtrack, man. It's a really solid game, too. Okay, it called it twice. Oh, it's because it called load status twice. Why did it do that? Who called you? Fuck. Where is it? There it is. Give me the stack trace now. Put all the stack traces in the bag. Dang, it's almost midnight, but I did start late. Might mildly switch gears. Alright, I didn't fix the bug. Once I fix this, we'll switch gears, probably. Definitely, probably, maybe. So this is from datasaver.load player status. Oh, that's right. That's the... Need to go up higher. So staging area dot process. Oh, so the problem is... Yeah, okay. The way I'm loading state is fundamentally just flawed. So it's going to toggle the gun every scene you load in and out of. Because it just keeps calling it even though it's already equipped. So this is, yeah. Okay. Equip weapon has to be called from multiple places. It is. Good. So what I need to do is bool only equip. With force equip? That's probably a better way to word it. Force equip equals false. And then equipped weapon does not equal null. Not force equipped. And all that shit. Otherwise, just equip the weapon. Now, go back to here. Force equip true. It's as simple as that, chat. I do kind of wonder how that wasn't a problem in the Unity version of this game. Oh, you know what? That level of state management wasn't even required in the Unity one. Because... Okay, so we shot, we have 9 bullets. Because I just did load as instance or whatever. Still have 9 bullets, still equipped. I think I fixed it. Boom! Now that might actually be worth publishing an update over. Yep, still equipped. Bang, bang, bang. Easy shots. Oh yeah, you know what? Okay, this is actually something that we can do that doesn't require me to have a working model. See my failed pants experiment from earlier tonight. With the crazy fucking geometry that hates when I move it. Let's make the AI, like, wake when it gets shot. Like, that should be super easy, right? Like, it's just like, oh, I'm being shot. Okay, chase the player. In fact, we don't even need to, like, have, like, a persistent thing for that. We just need to, like, I don't need this anymore. Give me one sec, chat. I'm gonna open up GitHub. Desktop, rather. So I'm too lazy to use console commands right now. Too lazy. I'm too fucking high to use console commands right now. Where the hell? I need to get rid of all the extra shit I just added in. Okay, that's one of them. Okay, that's just an error that we print out. I want that. A lot of white space changes, weirdly. Yeah, getting rid of that in player where we call weapon equipped because we don't need to. Adding the force equip. Oh wait, no, I do want that to change. Player status. Line 309. Oh, it's literally right here. It's just spammy console stuff I don't need to see. And then teleport on touch, that was a whole fix, so that's good. Accidentally purges your whole project and get no. So what's up, Bogmodic? How you doing? Ah! Alright, so this mysterious other issue is still going on. I don't know what's up with that. Whatever. We're just gonna leave it. I think I'll just push what I've got. Wait, no, it's still doing... Oh, you know what? No, that is actually stuff I already had in there. Okay, whatever. Cool. Let us commit that code real quick, like. Probably should have committed when I did the first fix too, but whatever. It's too late. That doesn't matter. Oh, these are new fields because we upgraded versions. I guess I'll leave that in then, just so there's not like a crazy. Oh my god! What the fuck, dude? Holy fuck! Chat, I need to show you this. How do I find this? Oh no, it's the lyric song. Damn it. I thought there was a privacy... Okay. This fucking... This diff. They added like a million settings to the export settings. Oh, it's on the export, not the... That's why I'm not seeing it. Alright, I'm skipping this fucking... I think we're at the end of the soundtrack if we're at the part with lyrics at this point. Oh no, there's other stuff after this. Okay, we're actually fine, never mind. Anyway, back to the things I was talking about. What? Where is the private? Oh, it's probably under advanced. No, it isn't though. What? What are all those new settings? Is it here? Is it under one of the other platforms? Any privacy settings for Apple? No. It's under here or something? That's crazy. That's fucking crazy that that's like just whatever. Also, I wish I could web export this, especially in the wake of all of the like malware stuff with Godot that's going on right now. It's a bit of a scandal. Like, just to have people not need to download this if they want to play it and just play it in the browser, fuck around with this silly little game. But sadly, since I am using C# and Godot 4, I cannot do that. If one of those things was not true, I would be able to do that. Weird choice they made past 3.0, where like if you're using C# or the mono version of this, you can't export to web. I'm sure there's a perfectly like logical reason for why that's the case, but it also just seems like, okay, we took a feature out. Get fucked, I guess, if you cared about it. Oh yeah, I was committing code. I just started rambling. I don't know if I need this .old file, but I guess I'll keep it just in case. Alright, I'm not updating the human low model. That is just him rotating as he is in the scene. Although, actually, this might be import settings. Ah, fuck, man. Oh, this is actually crazy. It, like, deleted all of the animation logic around the model, but the animations still work. Oh yeah, enjoy your lunch. Take care, Turner. I keep saying, like, I'm talking about this thing like you guys can see it. I don't know why I have it off screen. But yeah, like this diff, like these are all like animation related settings. I don't know if those just aren't saved anymore in the new version of Godot that we updated to, but I mean, it didn't add anything either, so I don't know, like this is the only change. Alright, I'm done with the doo-doo-doos. What the heck? Where is this music file? Get out of here. This is just a mix of all the levels. Oh, we are basically at the end of this. Dang it. Alright, Bomberman time, chat. Not the end of the soundtrack. What are you doing? I guess I'll check this in. I don't really know if that's something upgrade related or not, but it seems like the same thing happened to my spider script, which I wasn't even looking at that, so I guess it has to be different than the, whatever is in the other version. Okay, I'm looking at everything else. This is all... There's a lot of, like, little changes just because we upgraded versions. Just, like, version numbers being ticked in random config files. But the main things we did were... Fixed issue with gun getting randomly unequipped. Fixed note background on exported version. Upgraded to Godot 4. We're on 3 now, right? Yeah. I'm gonna double check just to be certain, but I'm pretty sure we're on 4.3. That's correct. Alright, I think that's everything I need to commit for this. I'm pushing it, committing it. I fucked up, I'll fix it later. I think that's all I got in me for game dev. Let's go ahead and mark that off the list, though. That can stay there because we haven't fixed whatever the hell that is. Gun and equips between scenes, yeah. Also, I think I put that there and not before the tick mark, but whatever. Alright. I fixed 2 bugs tonight, chat. We made a pair of pants that won't work for us. Ta-da! Alright, enough of that. I'm not done streaming tonight. Let's play a couple of silly little games, shall we? But yeah, that's gonna do it for game dev. I don't know, I was gonna say GG's for now, but GG's for now. GG's for now. As always, I might be streaming a different game dev next Sunday. I don't know when that's exactly gonna happen. I definitely can't work on that project right now. It's way too mathy for my head. But yeah, for now, I guess that's it for game dev. Hang tight, let me get a game set up here and we'll play it.